Hi guys, welcome back. Now, just a quick update about the Mummy Club. So, news sadly has come out that Ratile is not in a good place in her marriage. What I came to find out in the last day or so is that she did go to the courthouse to file domestic violence situation. What I'm learning is that her husband and mother-in-law are implicated in this. Now, what's not really clear is exactly, the whole situation and what led up to that. Right now, it is said that Ratile is not in a good place. She's quite mum about the whole situation. She's not spoken out about it. She hasn't responded to the whole situation. According to news that I read about it, and I will post the link down below, she has been very closed about issues in her marriage, but I think this situation is has escalated to a point where she may be willing to come public with it. But what's also interesting is the current episode. We got to see her ex nanny Barbara. Barbara visited with Happy and Happy's nanny and house manager, and we got to, of course, find out what exactly transpired to the point of when she was let go. Now, what Barbara is saying is that one day Ratile's husband came and asked her about his wallet, of which she didn't know where it was. And then he sat her down and basically told her that her time there is done. It came as a surprise to her, and even when she came to the reunion, and Ratile did mention that, Barbara has moved on and she started her own business of making curtains. Barbara was taken aback by that because she thought that that would have been her opportunity to get a new job from being on that platform, and of course the announcement of her not working for Ratile. Ratile also did say that she gave her a great recommendation letter, which I posted in one of my previous videos. And what is also interesting is the fact that Barbara mentioned that Ratile's husband is responsible for paying her and, of course, was withholding her pay. For me, that kind of sounded odd, and kind of bells went off in my head. Only for the fact that in most situations where you find a husband and a wife, the wife is in charge of paying the house manager or the nanny. So it was rather odd to me in that sense, and it also gave me a sense of he's very controlling with the finances and with everything and how the home is run. He's very involved. Typically, that's usually the wife stroke mother's role, but I guess these are the power dynamics that I'm seeing are not very, very equal in that sense. And Ratile did talk about their age difference. She's talked about it in season 1. I don't know how big it is. I think it's about 10 years or about thereabouts. To me, that doesn't seem too big of an age gap, because Ratile is in her 30s. He must be in his 40s. Well, he does have older children, and he posted a very interesting post yesterday, and yeah, check it out. So, apart from that post, it's also interesting that he has scrubbed all pictures of himself and Ratile on this page. It's just him or him and his older daughter, which you've just seen. Ratile, on the other hand, about 5 days ago, posted up her whole family, including him and her kids. And that post is now no longer there, but she has not deleted any of the pictures of her and her husband. So I guess maybe she's still holding out hope for some form of reconciliation. And of course, if anything more transpires, then I will be back here to update you. In the meantime, check out some of the recent pictures that she has posted of her and him between December and this January and recently.